Bellman, welcome to Khalil's Unboxing. Just received a package from the mail. I'm trying to see what it is. I probably know what it is. Huh. There's a receipt right here. Couple of stickers. Shout outs.
And
Shout
you
outs.
got like 100 of those stickers.
Shout out to Basil, Peace, Maplewood. Good looking out. Oh, look at this. Whoa. Nice. See how they fit.
Comfortable?
Oh yeah. Oh
Nice and gold.
yeah. Oh yeah. I suggest you guys getting a size smaller because I normally wear a 9.5, and these are 8.5. I didn't have no choice because as you can see, this says 9.5.
And they just sometimes send the wrong pair when it says 9.5.
Yeah, actually kind of dope. One more time on feet. My wife's coming in right now. She's probably wondering what was going on.
Yeah, what is going on? Huh?
Just doing an
What are you
unboxing
doing?
video. Anyway, heads. Peace.